Today I'm gonna do a video about this Seiko 5. As you can see inside, something is falling down. The minute hand 2 is moving, and it is badly damaged, not an original bracelet here, rusty. It has here some on the back, it has some numbers, serial numbers, model number and everything, but I doubt it a lot that this is not an original one. Honestly, on the crystal there are absolutely no scratches, which is very weird. The case is badly damaged everywhere, corrosion, dirt and everything, but the crystal is like new. I don't know if it was changed before I acquired it, but definitely it doesn't look that way. Okay, so I think that this is a sapphire crystal and it's like new. I don't know if it was changed, but if it was changed not yesterday, it was changed a long time ago and still like new. So I will give this watch a second chance, even if it's a fake one. It looks good. I will do a little cleaning inside to glue this part here that is jiggling. It should be here. It says Japan movement inside, but we'll see. First of all, I have to remove the bracelet. Then I see that it is winded. I have to release the spring. First, let's remove the spring bars. First one down, it's very rusty. And now the second one. So, and the second spring bar, both of them very rusty. Bracelet here, I will leave it for another DIY project because it's not broken, but it's not so beautiful. Anyway, so now let's try to open it by hand. Oh, okay. Again, this Seiko, I got it from a friend. He said I'll throw it away, so I acquired it that way. I didn't pay anything for it, so now I'm curious what I have here, and let me see what's inside. Opening by hand, it was easy, unexpectedly. Thin stainless steel back and numbers and so on. Well, okay, that's inside. It has some stones. It has a plastic holder, which means that this is not an original Seiko 5 II. But again, I said I will give it a chance. I will try to repair it just for my own experience. Curious if it says automatic, but there is nothing in the module that says it's automatic. Strange corrosion it has on the case here, as you can see, maybe, which means that the case is not stainless steel too. Anyway, let me try to release the spring because it's very tight. Hold the crown because otherwise something might break. Some of the teeth of these wheels can break. That's why I released it slowly. So now the spring is fully unwound. Good. Good for now. So now you know what I have here, and please tell me in the comments what should I do with it. Do I have to restore it? Do I have to invest some more money for new bracelet, new crown maybe, and new caliber? Once again, this is the caliber inside. Trying to start it. It's just mechanical, has some stones, but it's not working. So maybe I should invest in new caliber automatic one, NH35A with the date, or repair this one, but it's not automatic. So tell me in the comments below what should I do with it. Let me remove the stem. Now the module holder, as we see here, is already broken. I will try to carefully take it out. Yeah. Obviously it was cut it here manually. No idea why. Oh, what we have here is another issue. Nothing, absolutely nothing about water resistance. So please, as you see now what I meant before, please write me in the comments, does it worth it, or do I have to take time to repair this watch? Anyway, the only thing I could use, as far as I can see, is the case. Perhaps with electrolysis I can restore the yellow or silver color, and the dial is still okay, still good. Just to put this back here in place, the hands a little bit cleaning. I don't know if the module will be fine, but anyway, I could change it or have it repaired by myself. Tell me in the comments, what do you think? Does it worth it or not? I understand that this watch will be still fake one, even if I put the original Seiko caliber inside. But anyway, I'll be happy to hear what is your opinion. Thanks for watching.